So welcome students. So in this question you are given two statements. First statement is, so the lines from the vertex to two extremities of focal chord are perpendicular to each other. And the second statement is, if you have 2 points, one with parameter t1, other with parameter t2, if the chord joining the point P and Q has to be a focal chord, then t1, t2 is equal to -1. So out of these two statements, statement 2 is a standard statement in the theory. So if you have a focal chord, joining the point T1 and a point T2, so if this is a focal chord, then T1, T2 is equal to -1. So this statement is a standard statement in theory, so S2 is true, there is no doubt about it. Now if T1, T2 is equal to 2, if T1, T2 is equal to -1, that does not imply this angle is 90 degrees. So if this angle is equal to 90 degrees, then the slopes, then the product of the slopes have to be equal to -1. So if you join the vertex 0, 0 with a t1 square comma 2a t1, the slope of OP is nothing but 2a t1 by a t1 square, it is 2 by t1. So this line has a slope of 2 by t1. Similarly, this line has a slope 2 by t2. Now if these two have to be perpendicular to each other, 2 by t1 into 2 by t2 is equal to -1. This implies t1, t2 is equal to -4. So that should be the condition for perpendicularity. So t1, t2 is equal to -4 does not imply that this is a focal chord. This should not be a focal chord. This should not be a focal chord. That means if you join the ends of focal chord, it will never be equal to 90 degrees. So for this angle to be 90 degrees, T1, T2 has to be equal to -4, and for this to be a focal chord, T1, T2 has to be equal to -1. So these two conditions are mutually exclusive. If this happens, that does not happen. If that happens, if this does not happen. So the first statement is false. Thank you.